In other news, the Maharashtra government has reduced the security of several opposition leaders, including former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, BJP State President Chandrakant Patil, and MNS Chief Raj Thackeray, along with some other leaders. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has said that the decision was taken after assessing the threat to a particular person and there is no politics involved in this. Reacting to the government's decision, while Maharashtra BJP has accused the Uddhav government of vendetta politics, Devendra Fadnavis says he is not dependent on state security at all in any case, and therefore this particular move and decision will not impact his public visits.
मेरी कोई उसके बारे में तकरार नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सरकार को जो निर्णय लेना है ले। हम कोई केवल सुरक्षा के भरोसे चलने वाले लोग तो नहीं है, हम जनता में रहने वाले आदमी हैं। हम तो घूमते रहेंगे, मेरे घूमने पर उसको कोई परिणाम नहीं होगा।
माझी सिक्युरिटी राज्य सरकारने कालच काढली। मला सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटची सिक्युरिटी आहे, त्यामुळे माझ्या जीविताला कमी जास्त काही झालं जबाबदार राज्य सरकार असेल। केंद्राने आता जबाबदारी घेतली, त्यांनी सिक्युरिटी अमित भाई शानी दिलेली आहे।
अजित पवार जी की धर्मपत्नी श्रीमती सुनेत्रा अजित पवार जी को, क्योंकि अजित पवार जी के साथ उन्होंने शादी की है, तो इसके कारण अब नक्सलवादियों का डर उन्हें है। हमारी सुरक्षा निकाली, कोई दुख नहीं, अच्छी बात है। हमें तो जनता का आशीर्वाद है, जनता के आशीर्वाद की सुरक्षा होगी। हमने कभी मांगी नहीं थी, तो हम ये भी नहीं पूछेंगे कि क्यों निकाली।
थ्रेट परसेप्शन के हिसाब से कमेटी ने रिपोर्ट देना चाहिए, और जिसको थ्रेट परसेप्शन है उसके हिसाब से कौन सी सिक्योरिटी देना है उसके बारे में भी उनको बताया गया था। उस हिसाब से रिपोर्ट आने के बाद में थ्रेट परसेप्शन के हिसाब से कमेटी का रिपोर्ट आने के बाद में उस प्रकार का आदेश राज्य शासन ने निकाला है। ये सब चीजें थ्रेट परसेप्शन के हिसाब से होती है, इसमें कोई किसी प्रकार की राजनीति नहीं है।
Mirror Now Deputy News Editor Mayuresh joining me live. Mayuresh, the politics aside, let's talk about the facts first. So 11 politicians, we are given to understand their security cover has been downgraded, and 13 new names also are going to get state level security. So what exactly is the official reason? What was the immediate provocation for this step?
Absolutely, Afrida. If you see that in 2020, the entire year, due to pandemic, state government didn't conduct this particular meeting of security assessment, where they basically give or reduce the security depending on the threat perception. But here they did this thing in last week, and immediately they have started upgrading and reducing the security of famous politicians, in which we saw Narayan Rane clearly said that the state government has withdrawn my security yesterday itself. Even we saw that security of Devendra Fadnavis was also reduced depending on the threat perception. But what is making controversy is that the two names, that is Deputy CM Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra Pawar and Uddhav Thackeray's nephew, who is a General Secretary of Yuva Sena also, Varun Sardesai. These two names are basically has created a controversy in this entire thing, because if you hear carefully what Sudhir Mungantiwar, who is a former finance and forest minister, he clearly said that I work in a Naxalite area, but the state government has withdrawn my security because they feel that there is no threat perception to me, or there is no threat to me. But they have given security to Sunetra Pawar, who's a wife of Deputy CM Ajit Pawar and a nephew of Uddhav Thackeray, that is Varun Sardesai. On what threat perception, or on what threats they have, that they have got the security, that they have questioned. So certainly all these leaders are not against reducing their security, but yes, certainly they are raising the question that this decision of giving security to new people or to few selected people is kind of a political decision. Even if you listen carefully what Devendra Fadnavis said it in Marathi, he said that during our time we used to conduct this meeting and there is a scientific formula for that. But seems this government has taken this decision of keeping the politics in mind.
Right. So this is not some sort of a status symbol. It's supposed to be purely based on threat perception and nothing else. And the Home Minister of the state is trying to justify, saying that those are the grounds based on which the decisions are taken, even though BJP cries foul over it. Thanks for joining us, Mayuresh.